Digital transformation has happened in every aspect of our life, from professional business to personal free time. For many of us, we are getting used to participating in all kinds of online activities and even shifting the focus of life to the online world. On the one hand, the internet is the first thing that comes to mind for most of us when we need to find information. On the other hand, we are consciously or unconsciously sharing our personal information on the internet when we are engaged in all kinds of online activities such as online shopping, sharing posts on social media, and even just surfing websites. We now rely heavily on AI-powered software. There is no doubt that the technology improves working efficiency and relieves human agents, but one of its biggest potential threats also gets our attention: the threat to data privacy. Password recording. Fortunately, we have plenty of AI-based software that can help us remember our passwords. However, it does not mean we will never need to worry about losing our passwords. There are still huge security risks. If the platforms get hacked by online criminals, or if you lose a device that remembers your password, there is a possibility that you lose control of your accounts. To enhance data protection, many software includes two-factor authentication technology. In addition to your username and password, the technology adds an extra layer of protection for your account security. Instead of immediately logging in with your password, the software with 2FA technology will ask you to give more private information that only the real user knows. For instance, answering a question about your childhood experience or identifying your fingerprint. In this way, the technology lowers the risks of losing your account or private data when you lose your password. Internet of Things. Internet of Things is a popular technology that applies in every aspect of life. The technology links different physical objects in one network with the help of sensors, software, and processing ability. With the help of IoT technology, information on different devices can be communicated and exchanged with high efficiency. It helps to make information synchronization more efficient for its users. The Apple Devices system uses IoT technology to support its network. For Apple users, you can sync all your Apple devices by signing in to the same iCloud. The advantages are obvious. You can check the documents that are saved on your Mac's desktop with your iPad, and you can enjoy pictures anytime with any Apple device. The potential threat brought by IoT is if you lose one of your devices. There is a potential threat that the criminal who got your lost device can hack all of your information. Online payment. Online shopping has become an overwhelming trend nowadays, especially during the pandemic. We are getting used to and gradually prefer this way of shopping, which gives more options with well-designed pictures and provides the chance to return your purchases with a free return policy. However, online shopping requires online payments. Most shopping websites will give their consumers an option to let the platform remember their bank or card information. You may recall the same experience of giving your credit card information to countless shopping websites, which sometimes make you worry about the safety of your bank account. Website browsing. Doing even the simplest online activities such as website browsing generates risks to your data privacy. Almost every search engine provides the history function, helping its users to remember what websites they viewed in case they want to go back to them or reopen the ones they accidentally closed. For instance, HTTP cookies are small pieces of data created by website servers since a user opens a website for the first time. They play a significant role in tracking history, learning users' preferences, personalize users' accounts, and improve users' experience. However, this list of history records does not only serve its owners, but also provides valuable customer information for advertisers. What you do not realize is that this list is often secretly sold to advertisers, helping them know the interests of their potential consumers. For instance, most of us have such experience of seeing annoying pop-ups when we go website browsing, and these pop-ups usually do catch our eyes. Protection of data privacy. The operation of cybersecurity is defined by a series of practices including discovering digital attacks, generating in-time solutions, and predicting potential threats in the future. Nowadays, becoming a cybersecurity engineer has become a popular career goal among both highly educated people and technology proficient people, and the career has become one of the highest IT professions in 2022. Furthermore, the companies that develop AI-based software also need to raise their awareness of the importance of data privacy, making sure they protect the customer's information well, make this task a priority, and promise to never take the information for malpractice.